Welcome to Requisitions demo. This is one of the Oracle Fusion applications social network integrations. Here we are integrating Oracle Fusion's business objects into Microsoft Teams. Let's get into demo flow. So these are all the sequence of activities happening between user A and B. So let's take user A as Elmer White and user B as Calvin Roth. So Eleanor White create a conversations in FA. He creates a requisitions in FA and he clicks on MS objects and he initiates the conversation. He logins to the MS Teams and he attaches icons, stickers, attachment. These are all the default functionality of MS Teams. Suppose if you want to add external user, then Calmir Roth, there is an option in the MS tool to add as a member. So he can add a external user there. Then external user, say for example Calvin Roth or someone else, he can do the conversation with the Alviner White. And say in this case, user B, Calvin Roth. So he'll log into the FA applications and he'll query the requisition created by the Elviner White and he'll click on MS Team. He can see all the conversations created by the Elviner White. And whenever he clicks on deep link and user links, uh, Calvin Roth will be added automatically to the MS Teams. Then he can see all the conversations of Eleanor White in MS Teams and he can respond to that. And yeah, that's it. We can see the demo in the FE and MS Teams. So let's log into the FA. I'll log in as a Eleanor White. I'm going to the procurement and the requisition screen. And to save time, I already created one requisitions to 204050. I click on 2050 requisitions. Then, sorry. Then click on MS icons. So since no conversation is there with this requisitions, we need to create a channel. Once you create a channel, we can get into the MS Teams and create a conversations. So here we can see the header fields of the requisitions. This is not a restricted. So these are all depends on the setup. You can add whichever the fields you want to add it. So and once you add it in the setup, we can see once you click on MS Teams, you can see all the details. Click on refresh button. And since there is no messages, nothing is there. You can do the sorting of a message, it's ascending or descending here. That option is there. Then click on open Microsoft Teams. So if you have web-based MS Teams, you can use that one. Otherwise, you can use the web-based. So log in as Eleanor White, sign in. So it will take some time. So it is taking a little bit time. Please bear with me. Yeah. So I'll log in as MS Teams. So it is a displaying message requisition 204050. Then you have to click on join. Yeah. Then close it. So if you have a lot of messages, you can search here, I mean, whichever the requisition you have, you can just search it here. Say 204050, 204050. Enter. So you can see the requisition, your requisition here. See here, top level, it is showing new. This is the new requisition which you have created. Yeah. Click on general and you can start. See, you can see the header details here. You can add emojis or attachment and uh, reply to that header. And you can start a new conversation. You can add the attachments. So I'm uploading from my laptop. Per requisition document, I'm attaching it. Enter. You can add emojis, whatever you want to add, you can add it. So this is the conversation I'm doing as a LNOR byte, and here there is an option to add member. So here you can add external members, yeah, to this channel. Then he can log into the MS Teams and do the conversation with the LNOR byte. So now let's log in to FA with the Kelvin Roth as a user. Yeah. So I log in as a Kelvin Roth in one more instance of our Fusion applications where I log in as a procurement and requisition. And here I'm coming to the search screen of requisitions. So I can remove this order. So 2050, I'll just search it. Requisition, sorry. So click on requisitions. You can see the requisition created by the Elnar White. So entered by Elnar White. Yeah. Then click on MS Teams. So you can see all the conversation done by Elnar White. Yeah. So here one reply is there. Yeah. And sorry. Header shows the requisition number, same requisition number. Here, whatever the conversations, details, everything it is there. Deep link, if you click, this attachment also there. You can open it and see. Yeah. And when we click here, view Microsoft items, Teams. So we have not added Calvin Roth as a member. So I'm logging Calvin Roth into the FA application and querying the requisitions, whichever has been created by the Elmer White, and log into the MS Teams. I can see the all the conversation done by Elmer White. Then I'm logging to the MS Teams. Calvin Roth. Calvin Roth is Calvin Roth as user. 1 second. Yeah, and login as Calvin Roth to the MS Teams. It's taking a little bit of time. So some initial setup is there is a setting up. You can use your local MS Teams or you can use the web-based one, MS Teams. It's up to you. Yeah. So here we go. So directly I'm getting into 2040 requisitions. It is showing new highlighted. and clicking directly goes in the general tab, and here I can see the my document. Yeah, all the conversations. I can reply to that. Yeah, then post. So you can send back message to Elnor White. Yeah, post. Yeah. So this conversation you can do attach emojis, documents, whatever you want, you can do it. This is the default functionality of MS Teams. Yeah. Now again, you can go back to FA session of Elnor White. There you can see all this conversation, whatever is Calvin Roth has created it. Yeah. So both way we can see the conversations, Elnor and Calvin in FA applications. So I'm going to the Elnor White FA applications. Here I'm just refreshing it to see the latest conversations. Yeah. So this is the Calvin Roth has created the conversation. Yeah. So two replies are there. Here also replies are there. If you want to get into the exact message, you can click on type link. You can see all the details. Yeah. Same way, if I go to Calvin Rose FA applications, yeah, here I can he can Calvin Roth can see all the conversation details. You know. So summary of the this demo is Elner White is creating requisitions. He can click on MS Teams and create a conversation. That conversations can be seen from the Kelvin Roth login, FA login. He can create a conversation both in MS Teams, and same thing he can see in Elnar White. So it's vice versa. So that's it about the demo. Thank you.